Hello creators, welcome to this guide. We're here to learn about YouTube Studio. It's a great tool that YouTube gives to all video makers for free. It's very helpful. Let's start learning. What is YouTube Studio? It's like your control room for your YouTube channel. Here, you manage things like your videos and how your channel looks. It helps you succeed. It's super useful. You can find Studio on your computer by going to youtube.com/studio, or use the mobile app which is called the YouTube Studio app. It's easy to get and it works on both Android and iOS. Access it anywhere, anytime you want. So why is Studio so important? It helps you understand what your viewers like. You can see your progress and it makes your work easier. Every creator needs it. Studio is for you. It's your best friend. Let's look at the dashboard. This is your main page in YouTube Studio. It shows quick facts like new subscribers, total views, and your watch time. It's very easy to check. The dashboard has news from YouTube, important updates for you, and maybe even tips for creators. You can find them here. And channel issues too. It helps you stay safe and always know what's going on. Now the content tab. This is a big part. All your videos are here. Your uploads, your shorts videos, and your live streams. Everything you create is nicely organized in the content tab. You can do many things here. Edit video details like the title or description. Change the video thumbnail. Set its visibility. Check likes and comments. It's very powerful. Analytics is super cool. It's all about data for your channel. It shows how you are doing. You can learn a lot about your videos. This helps you grow. Analytics is your guide. Look at key numbers like total video views, total watch time hours, and subscriber growth. You can see charts that show your trends. Are you growing fast? The data tells you. Learn about your viewers. Who is watching you? Their age and gender. Where do they live? When are they on YouTube? This is very useful for planning your videos and making content they will like. Find your top videos. Which ones get the most views? Which videos keep people watching longer? This is audience retention. Where do views come from? From YouTube search or from browsing? This info is gold. Make more of what works. Section 4. Earnings and extra tools. Monetization and more. Let's talk about money. The Monetization tab. See how to earn. It shows the YPP rules. YouTube Partner Program. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. If you meet the rules, you can apply for YPP right from this tab. After you're approved, you earn money from ads. See your estimated earnings. Manage ad settings. This is your money hub. There are more tools, like the Comments tab. See all the comments here from your lovely fans. You can reply to them, filter spam comments, build a good community, talk with your audience. There are other helpful tabs. Customization is one. Brand your channel here. Add subtitles for videos. The audio library is great, free music for videos, and sound effects too. Use them without any worries. Section 5. Take control. Use YouTube Studio today. So YouTube Studio is key. It's really powerful. For every YouTube creator, it helps you manage, and it helps you grow. Take time to learn it, explore all its parts. It's made for you. Now it's your turn. Go to your YouTube Studio. Right after this, look at your dashboard. Check your own analytics. Start using its power. Make it a daily habit. You'll see results. Did this guide help you? I hope it helped. Please give it a like if you learned something. And subscribe for more tips. Any questions about Studio? Ask in the comments. We'll try to help. Using Studio well is smart. It helps make better videos. You connect with viewers. Your channel can grow big, so keep creating and keep learning. Good luck with your channel. You can do this.